San Francisco.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh my gosh.
The plates are reminding me.
I was recording. Did you want a picture at that wall?
Either that or they did like a separate one that week.
For 1,000 years, if I hurt you.
There's no line. I walked up and I took an order. And then they had the food in.
Okay, hey guys, long time no check-in. We're at Junkstock, as you see. This is the fall 2024. Is that what year we're in right now? We're just kind of exploring, walking around, doing our little thing. Right now we're getting some food. In that last clip, I ate my Dole Whip already, but I'm also drinking a strawberry lemonade. Christine is getting a burger right now. Erica got some egg rolls, and she's going to the bathroom right now. But yeah, we're having lots of fun. Okay, good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I am editing this video right now. It's super short, but I haven't posted anything in a really long time, and I really just wanted to share a little bit of my life with you. So right now I just ate a Lunchable and I'm about ready to head into work in about an hour. But I'm drinking a Capri Sun. I wanted to show you what I got from Junkstock. I didn't really buy anything, but I took so many pictures and videos of things that I want to get people potentially for Christmas, and I took a lot of business cards. So that's mostly what I did, is kind of just like window shopped. But I got pickled jalapenos. I love jalapenos, and this just caught my eye, so I was like, why not try it? And I'm also watching Aspen Ovard's house tour of her new beach house in Newport, I think is where she moved to. And I'm just having a chill morning. Poe is right next to me. I did some laundry, folded it finally. It's been sitting there for ages. And yeah, but I just wanted to check in. I feel like I have been on kind of this like new adventure in my life over this last like couple months at least. Where just like some type of new chapter has switched over for me. I've started working out like 3 times a week. I'm very just mindful of things that are happening in my life. I'm setting up like new routines, like on like how much I should be eating and making sure I'm taking my meds and like stuff like that. So I feel like I'm kind of just getting my life together and restarting and getting back to square one. So that's why I haven't been filming like a whole lot, because I'm kind of just figuring out like what my new routine is and what that looks like for me. And don't worry, I 110% plan to still like continue my YouTube channel and film and all that fun stuff. I just really wanted to just like figure out who I am. I know I'm 24 now and I'm gonna be 25 in February, so I feel like it's kind of just that awkward time of life where you're like, what the heck am I doing with my life? And you're just trying to figure it all out and feel peace and calm within yourself. So that's kind of just where I've been. I've just been practicing like a lot of mindfulness and like intentionality with everything, and building relationships with people that are really close to me and stuff. So that's kind of where I've been and why I haven't been on YouTube very much. But I plan on, in this near future, after I feel more comfortable in my routine at the gym and like filming at the gym, filming like a gym routine. For Christmas, I'll be going to New York with Michaela, and we're super excited about that. I am still with Starbucks. I actually just opened a brand new store. I'm only here for a month though, and then I'm going back to my old store, but it has been such a privilege and an honor to open this new store because it has all of the new, like what they're calling the Siren Craft system, which is a whole new way for baristas to make drinks. And it's really, really cool to see how that system like kind of comes in play, and to build a new team and new relationships. And really what I wanted to do when I stepped into this new position was give these kids like a running chance. Like I wanted to set that culture and that standard for them, because I love my store so much. I love the people. They are my family, and I just want to create that kind of community at this new store. So they are all doing fantastic, and are so well and so receptive to like coaching and all that. So it's a lot of fun, but I am moving up in the Starbucks world, so that's also really fun as I grow kind of my career. I don't know if this will be like a long-term career or anything like that. It's definitely not what I had intended to do when I graduated college, but you know, it's where life's taking me, and I'm completely open to wherever life may take me. So as long as I'm having fun and enjoying life, I think like that's all I can ask for. Enjoying life, feeling secure in my job. Say hi, Paul. Say hi, Paul. Oh, he's so sweet. It is his birthday in 2 weeks. I have a bunch of his gifts hidden around the house, so maybe I'll film something a little bit from his birthday and stuff. But he has been just a joy to be around and has helped me heal. Don't drink out of my Capri Sun, please. But he's helped me in so many ways and helped keep me stress-free, so I'm so appreciative for him. But I just wanted to check in with you guys. Thank you so much for still following me along on this journey. As we as humans just continue to grow every day, I hope to become more real and honest with you and just completely vulnerable. Yeah, not that I've never been like not honest, but I just feel like I'm discovering this new part of myself, and I want to be as open as possible about it and sharing this new journey in my life, hopefully to help like people who may be going through the same things, or you know, as you kind of get to like your mid-20s, everyone kind of feels, I feel like, a similar way that I'm feeling right now. So hopefully normalizing that helps other 20-something-year-olds just feel a little bit more peaceful about their life and what direction it's headed and all that. So that's all I've ever really wanted from my YouTube channel, is to help people feel validated and create a community of just freedom. Like, you can come here and talk about absolutely anything and be who you are and let your imagination run wild, and just have these people behind your back, or not behind your back, well, kind of, but like that are there to support you from behind, you know what I mean? Like 100, like just all together. So this was a really long spiel at the end of the video, but yeah, I kind of just wanted to tell you where I'm at, where my life is at. Thank you guys again so much it's honestly an honor and a privilege to be able to share my life with you and to have these moments in my life to look back on. Like, I can't tell you, I know there are many more people out there who have way more subscribers or whatever, but I'm so thankful for each and every one of you for being a part of my life and a part of my journey and helping me grow as a human. And that's all I want for myself and to share with other people. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.